You won't believe how much this contract manufacturer stock rocketed today. Jabil stock rocketed to new highs after beating its Q4 earnings estimates. And that's the day after they closed a deal to sell their business mobility unit for $2.2 billion to BYD, the Chinese electric vehicle company. Jabil provides manufacturing services and solutions around the world. Their two business segments are electronica manufactured services and diversified manufactured services. The electronics manufacturing unit includes gear for cloud computing, data storage, and networking. The diversified manufacturing unit makes automotive, healthcare, mobile, and other devices. Although they are spread across numerous industries, their largest client is Apple, which represents 20 to 25% of their total revenue. For Apple, they made the metal frames for the iPhone and other Apple devices. Their other largest customers include Dell, HP, Cisco, and GE. In their latest quarter, their earnings grew 5.6%, but their sales decreased 6%. Over the last 5 years, the stock has rallied 386%. It shot up 18% today after the earnings and the closed deal with BYD, and has climbed 86% this year to date in 2023. Do you think it will continue to rally?